हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द टीचिंग सेंटर। आप लोग का स्वागत है टीचिंग सेंटर में। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 4। तो चलिए हम आज स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 4। अब इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 4 में हम फिर से सीखेंगे कुछ नए वर्ड, नए सेंटेंस जो हम अपने डेली लाइफ में यूज करते आ रहे हैं और अपना इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस सेशन। तो देखिए, आप लोग को क्या है, हम स्लो और क्लियर बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में। आप लोग को क्या करना है, मेरे साथ रिपीट करना है। यानी हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे, कुछ आपको रिपीट करेंगे। ठीक है, ठीक है। तो लिसन, आप लोग तैयार हैं? माय नेम इज एम डी नू। आप जानते होंगे मेरा नेम आई एम हैप्पी एंड वेरी हैप्पी यू आर हियर। आप लोग यहाँ आए इसके लिए हम बहुत खुश हैं। इन दिस एपिसोड I will speak slowly so you can follow me step by step. Don't worry about mistake. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try. Listen, repeat, practice and smile. Many people believe learning English is hard. They think it make many hours. They think must travel far. But that is not true. You don't need to live in any place. You don't need to move with other place. What you need are a small step. Simple first step. You can do every day. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow. Little by little, your English grow. Like a seed, become a tree. In this English practice session, we use easy word, short sentence, clear idea, so you can feel calm, so you can feel safe, so you can feel ready to speak English. Today I will show you one powerful method. It's simple, and it is simple. It is natural. It is called shadowing. Shadowing, that means repeat karna. Maybe this word is new, maybe not. Don't worry, I will explain. I will guide you. I will guide you. So now take a breath, relax, smile, and get ready. Because today you begin a new step, a new sound, a new English journey. Now let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is a simple way to practice English. It is easy and very powerful. Shadowing means listen and copy. Copy. Speak and follow the sound like a shadow. You follow the words, the rhythm, the voice. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to translate. You only need to listen and try to say the words like me. Let's start with some simple sentence. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow me. I want to speak English fluently. Now repeat. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. I listen to English every day. हम आपको इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे कुछ, आप लोग को क्या करना है, बस उसको रिपीट करना है. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now repeat. Shadowing helps me speak better. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, you may feel a little strange. You may not understand everything you hear. That's okay. Shadowing not about understanding every word. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It's help you get used to how English sound, how it feel in your mouth. If you do this often, even just 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, you more clear and more natural. It's a small habit with big result. Now let's talk about the main question. How can you practice English every day? Many learners say, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I am always busy. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. But listen, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Let's give me you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice English every single day. Tip number 1. Listen to English every day. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. Listening every day train your ears. It's make English more natural for you. You don't need 2 hours. You don't need 1 hour. Even 5 minutes is enough. Listen when you walk. Listen when you cook. Listen when you wait for bus. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Repeat. I listen to English every day. English is a part of my life. Repeat. English is part of my life. Listening helps me speak better. Repeat. Listening helps me speak better. Great. That's tips 1. Tips number 2. Speak out loud. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Don't keep English only in your head. You must speak it with your mouth, with your voice. Even if you are alone, even if you nobody listen, speak out loud. You can read a text and repeat it out loud. You can talk to yourself about your day. For example, I am drinking coffee. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. Now repeat after me. Speak out loud. Speak out loud. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. I am drinking coffee. I am drinking water. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं प्रैक्टिस करें. That's it. This is real practice. When you speak out loud, you train your mouth. You train your tongue. You train your brain. And step by step, your English become more natural. Tips 3. Think in English. Think in English. Most learners translate their think in their language. That takes time. That makes speaking slowly. So here's the tricks. Start thinking in English. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for perfect word. Just use simple English in your head. When you see the sky, say the sky is blue. When you feel hungry, say, I want to eat. When you are walking, say, I am walking to the shop. Simple, easy, powerful. Now let's practice together. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Repeat करिए. The sky is blue. I want to eat. Repeat. I want to eat. I am walking to the shop. Repeat. I am walking to the shop. Great. This is how you train your brain. This how English become a natural. If you think English every day, you will achieve faster and you will feel more confident. Tip 4. Read and repeat. Read and repeat. Step 4. Reading is powerful, but reading out loud is even better. When you read out loud, you see the word, you hear the words. You practice 3 skills at the same time. You don't need a big book. You don't need difficult English. Start small. Start easy. Read a short text. Read a short text. Read a simple story. Read a conversation. And then repeat it out loud. Let's try together. Repeat after me. I like reading English story. I like reading English story. आप लोग मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए और प्रैक्टिस करिए. Reading out loud helps my speaking. Now repeat. Reading out loud helps my speaking. I read a little bit every day. I read a little bit every day. Perfect. When you read and repeat, you train your eyes, your ears, and your mouth all together. This makes English faster, clear, and more natural for you. टिप्स 5, make English a daily habit. The secret is not big efforts. The secret is a small step every day. You don't need to study for hours. You don't need to memorize long list. You just need to practice a little every day. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, 5 minutes of reading. That's enough, because English is like exercise. The more often you practice, the stronger you become. Now repeat after me. I practice English every day. Now repeat. I practice English every day. Small steps make big progress. Now repeat. Small steps make big progress. English is a part of my life. Repeat. English is part of my life. Excellent. So remember, listen every day. Listen every day. Speak out loud. Think in English. Read and repeat. Make it a daily habit. Make it a daily habit. These 5 steps are very simple but very powerful. If you follow them step by step, day by day, you will speak English more naturally, more clearly, and with more confidence. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for the perfect grammar. Start now. Start today. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. And one day you will look back and say, wow, I can really speak English now. So keep going, keep practicing, and never give up. You can do it. I believe in you, and I am here to help you. Thank you for joining for me this practice session. See you next time. And remember, practice English every single day. तो चलिए मिलते हैं अगले प्रैक्टिस सेशन डे 5 में। तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। आप लोग